Creating websites with 350 pages is easy and fun. I'm going to create a web page in just a few minutes. After signing into my account, I select Create a new page, and then select a template from the wide range of professionally designed styles. Now I select a layout. I can see a larger version of the layout below as I hover over each one. I'll choose this layout. The first thing I want to do is to change the theme colour to my company colour, so I will select the Page Controls editor. As well as changing the colours, you can see that this is where I will set up my page title and keywords, which will help me to be found in the search engines, but I will set that later. I'll change the theme colour by clicking here. I can select a colour by choosing from the colour picker, or by entering the RGB or hex number. As I hover over the colour spectrum, you can see the colour bar underneath changing to reflect the colour selected. I will save this colour, and as I don't want to change anything else, I will click Save. Every object on the web page is customizable. First, I will customize the heading. 350 Pages has a unique graphics editor that enables you to customize the professionally designed styles right there in real time. I will move the page controls out of the way and hover over the graphic heading so that I can see its edit menu. The first option in the menu is the editor, but I will click on the object itself to edit it. First, I will change the text on my heading, but I also want to change the style, so I'll click here to see a range of popular headings. There are over 200 graphic heading styles on offer, and these are just a few of them. I will now increase the size, and you will see it change instantly. I can also add a link, or change the colours, and fonts, and add shadows. I'm happy with this, so I'll click Save. Now I will change the logo. Instead of selecting the object, I will select this Insert option on the editor bar. Now I will select to replace the current graphic with another graphic. I have already uploaded my own logo, so I will select this tab to see my files in my file manager. I will select this one. Now for the navigation buttons. As you can see, the buttons all have individual editors, or you can change them as a group. See this rectangular flashing box? I will click on that and then set up all the buttons that I need. I don't want this last button, so I will delete it. I can now set up my navigational links. See that I can link to an email address or another page on the web, but I'm going to link to a page that I created earlier. Now I want to insert my own text, so I will click on the text to show the text editor. I have previously prepared my text, so I would simply cut and paste to replace the text. As you can see, I have many of the controls found in word processors, so I can change the font and size, make it bold or italic, change the format, add buttons, and even add a link. To change the main text heading, simply click on it, and I'll change it to Our Training Ground. To replace the photo with my own image, I simply click on the Replace option, just as I did with the logo, and then select my files and select this image. Now I will select the text below the image to change it. And I will also change its colour. My page is looking really smart, but I just want to add another photo, so I'm going to insert a new object onto the page. I select this text, and then select Image, and then select Before. Again, I will select a photo from my file manager. Now I want to wrap the text around the photo, so I will hover on the photo and then select this layout to have the photo in the top right of the text. My page is now complete, so I will set up the page properties for the search engines prior to saving it. I will give my page a title, enter some keywords, and give it a description. Now I will save my page and name it Home, as it will be the front page of my website. This is my finished web page, and I'm really pleased with it. As you can see, 350 pages is very quick, simple, fun to use, and you get a stunning professional web page in minutes. Why don't you go and create your web pages too at www.350.com.